How to fix CarPlay not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're struggling with CarPlay not working on your iPhone, you've come to the right place. So I'll walk you through some effective solutions. First, you must know that CarPlay is an amazing feature that keeps you connected and entertained safely on the road. So when it stops, it might be frustrating. So what you can do is do a quick network refresh. The easiest way is to pull down the control center from the top right corner and toggle on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. So this resets your phone's network connections. Alternatively, you can also go to settings and do this. Now, give this a try and see if your CarPlay connects. If this network refresh did not work, then head over to settings and then go to general. Now you need to scroll down and then open up CarPlay and you should see if your car is listed here. If it's not appearing, that's a clue. Make sure your car is in park and the ignition is on, as some vehicles require this for initial pairing. So Finally, what else you can do is a quick restart can also help solve a lot of issues. So swipe down from the top right corner. You can see power button in the top right corner. Just restart your device because restarting a device goes a long way. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.